With the help of my furry little friend here, we're going to protect the interior of the AMG. I happen to think, by the way, that Mercedes has some of the nicest interiors amongst others. It's not the best, but it's a nice place to be for a period of time. A nice feel, a nice look. We're going to protect it today using the Geist Repel. This is a long-term coating for leather and vinyl. It's not ceramic. It is a polymer coating. The Geist Repel is anywhere from 45 to 55 bucks, depending on where you find it. I do see it on Amazon. It's a little bit more expensive there, and there are other areas. I'll try to put a link down below if you want to look into it a little bit further. Again, a 50 ml bottle. In the kit, you get a microfiber applicator and a microfiber towel as well. It all starts, obviously, with a thorough cleaning. You don't want to lock any dirt or body oils under the protectant. I'm going to grab forced air. You can use a compressor with a nozzle or an air chuck and a rubber tip, or I just use this drying cannon here. This is from Adams. Plenty of forced air to blow the bits and pieces from in and around the seams and the stitching. Then I grab the 3D leather cleaner. Lathers up nicely. I'll spray it directly into a detailing brush and lightly agitate. This is not going to need anything crazy aggressive to clean this leather here today. I just want to remove some body oils, a little bit of back sweat, and you name it. Just light stuff, light contamination. You can also use this little scrubbing pad from P&S here. Flip it over, we'll mist a little bit onto the surface and just lightly agitate the area. This covers more surface area. You can get done quicker. Wipe it down thoroughly, pick up the rest of the cleaner and any dirt you have removed by agitating. And then the next thing you want to do is let it dry completely. Just move on, do something else, let it dry, especially in between at the seams and the stitching. Completely dry before protecting it. Nice and clean. Now I'm satisfied. It's ready for the coating. It is suitable for all automotive leather, vinyl, and vegan leather surfaces. We'll test before you try it on aniline porous leather in an inconspicuous area. Very easy to apply. Only one layer required. Unless you're not sure you got an even layer, then go ahead and put the second layer on there. Repels dirt, and prevents discoloration, protects against friction and damage, cracking caused by UVA, UVB, IR. Free of ceramic and other nanoparticles, it is a polymer coating, solvent-free, microplastic-free, easily withstands wet brush cleaning. It's detergent resistant, so it can be cleaned continuously as it will continue to protect. Outstanding dye resistance for transfer from clothing, especially jeans. Makes cleaning a coated surface extremely easy, even after a long period of use. No real health or hazardous warnings that I can pass on to you so far. Safe for all top-coated leather and synthetic leather surfaces, and I also use it on plastic and other surrounding areas. The first person view here will show you just how easy it is to get on there. And really, I mean, there's no wiping it off until you come back in about 15-20 minutes. And if you see a high spot, you can wipe it down. Other than that, it's hardly any work at all. I came back 15-20 minutes later, didn't really see any discoloration or high spots. I wiped it down very lightly anyway. And there you have it. So far, so good. It has a nice look to it. No sheen whatsoever. It has a real nice, silky, smooth feel to it. No crazy odors. As for durability, well, if I have this thing for 12 months or more, we'll find out what the durability is. We'll find out about transfer, maybe spills, and I'll keep you guys filled in. But so far, so good. Getting it on there was the easy part. Once again, that was the Geist Repel, designed in Germany, made in Poland. www.leathercare.com. And I found it on Amazon as well.